Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Thursday, December the 15th, 2011. Well, we had mentioned that we would probably get some follow through from yesterday's close, from yesterday's low, and that the next area of support would likely be at around 1198. And lo and behold, the market hit 1198 right on the dot right here. So these are the market profiles we're looking at. This one here is what occurred overnight. So when we left yesterday, we were looking at this profile right here. So this is yesterday's profile, and this is today. When I say yesterday, that's regular trading hours only. And so it dipped down there and had a really nice move right back up to that 21 area that we've been mentioning. And here it is right here. It got to 2050, so just two ticks from it. Then opened here for the regular trading hours, and then tried to sell off, but didn't do that great a job at it, closing in right about here. So it would not surprise me if this market is, in essence, running out of steam, if you will, as far as its ability to go ahead and move lower. Now, it doesn't mean to say it's not going to go back down and test that 98 area. It could very well do that. But it doesn't look like it's got enough strength from a selling standpoint right now to do so. So we're going to monitor the 1215 area. If it can get above that, then obviously we're going to monitor 1221. Otherwise, if it takes out today's low, then it could easily come on down and test somewhere in around the 1200 area, or maybe even below our major support if, for example, some news from Europe is released that the market doesn't like. And of course, that's just got to play that by ear. We also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading hours only, and that's what you're looking at right here. Our software is right here. It's an add-on for NinjaTrader, and you can see that it actually does show where our trades are set up and triggered. So for example, if it's a short trade, it's a red down arrow with a red dashed line, as you can see, going across here. So this particular trade, we got filled when it hit it right here. It actually hit it right on the dot. There was quite a bit of volume at that price at that time, and we were filled short. So that wasn't our first trade, though. It was the first trade that was set up. It was the second trade that was actually entered. You can see the other down red arrow we had right here. And so we did have a short trade that was entered. We didn't actually get filled right here. We got filled a couple bars later, and then the market dropped to here, 1.5 in our favor. So we did take profits on the first half of that position, but that was all. We did not get filled here when it hit our second objective right on the dot. So this is actually our first trade, and then this one over here was our second trade. And now it did come down, hit our first and second objective, and stop us at a break even. So unfortunately, from a very prudent standpoint of trade management, we only hit our first two objectives on that trade and we're filled on them. But obviously realizing that we're in the down intraday auction, got good red filter, some of our traders placed their stop with just a one tick risk on that particular trade, and we're able to do very well with it. As you can see, that short from 15.5 came down here just below 10, so it had a good move on it. You can see another couple of trades here, a couple of long trades off of the lows. We did not take either one of these trades, and the reason being we're still in the red filter intraday, and intraday still down. So just too much weight on the market to want to take any of these long trades just yet. If these long trades are being triggered down towards our 98 support, then yeah, we'd probably give them a shot, and see, because we'd be getting excellent trade entry location. And we'd probably want to go ahead and give that a shot, see what we can get out of it, because the trade location was so good. But in this case, it was much higher up, and we did not take those trades as a result. So just two trades today, some good consistent profits on that. No heat at all to speak of on those trades once we're into them. So yeah, it worked out well. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always look forward to your questions and comments. So really, that'll be it for today. Some levels that we're looking at, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.